favorite comic book series and why?
Spider-Man. You know, I think the reason I like him the best, he's become as big or bigger than Mickey Mouse. It used to be. You could go to any part of the world and you'd see a cartoon somewhere of Mickey Mouse. Everybody knew Mickey Mouse. Today, Spider-Man has become that big. There's no place you can go where people don't know about Spider-Man and don't sell little Spider-Man toys and gifts and so forth. And that kind of impresses me. I figure if the whole world loves Spider-Man that much, why should I be different? So I love him too.